Guys, today I'm gonna make penguin. Let's go starting. Let's go starting. Let's go starting. Let's go starting. Ding, ding, ding. Big shaker. Now let's go make something. Open the thing like this and make circle and boop, boop. Make circle, yeah.
Hey guys, sorry I'm interrupting, but I'm watching Tara right now and seeing what she's doing.
No. Yeah. Luminous. Yep. Boop. Doop. Doop. Doop.
She seems like a pro, to be honest. Well, that's a big potato head.
Potato head. It's my sister.
To be honest, this is the first time she's shown her voice in the channel. Why were you shy, Tyra?
And now I'm gonna eat cupcake, and then tomorrow gonna make cupcake.
You ain't doing it by your own.
Of course, I'm gonna eat cupcake. Let's go.
Color it.
Color it. Need black, brown, yeah, brown.
Tara, what's the name of the brush?
I don't know.
Oh, Tara, you're amazing. Okay, just do it. Let's do it, honey. Guys, vote Tara singing down below.
Love, 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 love. Cupcake, cupcake, cupcake. Cupcake, cupcake.
No cupcakes.
Why? I'm eating cupcake. Today I'm gonna eat my cupcake. Eat my cupcake.
Just continue drawing, please.
I'm showing.
Calmness at last. Oh my goodness! This is very cute. Rate her drawing down below. Guys, sorry, I was about to say teacher.
Sorry, I'm eating cupcake. Where my cupcake go? Huh?
You ate it.
You ate it, Dennis.
The dolphin ate it?
Yep, the dolphin. Anna, you no company.
Are we comedy, guys? Are we comedy or please say down. Are we making your day comedy or nope?
Nope.
Tara, you're not the guy. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Bye, guys.
Bye bye.